Most people get this wrong. They think Credito is just another buy now, pay later service. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Credito has transformed into a versatile financial platform that combines early wage access, flexible installment plans, and spending management tools, all designed to give you more control over your money. Here's how Credito works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is perfect for unexpected bills, urgent purchases, or even last-minute travel expenses. Second, Credito allows eligible purchases to be split into small, predictable installments, helping you avoid high-interest credit card debt while staying on budget. Credito also provides dashboards, alerts, and reminders to keep track of your advances, payments, and overall spending. These tools are essential for responsible use and preventing missed payments or surprise fees. The downside: over-reliance on Credito can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed installments may add up quickly, and using the app as a crutch could mask deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only take advances or installment plans you can realistically pay back. 2. Turn on notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to limit dependence on Credito. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or poor repayment habits could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Credito in 2026 is a useful and convenient financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest reviews and practical money management tips to keep your finances under control.